Hey, Money Movers! Welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your ultimate destination for practical, no-nonsense personal finance tips that actually work. If you're feeling overwhelmed by debt, take a deep breath. You are not alone. Millions face the same challenge, but the good news is that with the right strategies, you can take control of your finances. In today's video, we're breaking down the 10 best debt management strategies to help you tackle what you owe, regain financial stability, and start building a stronger, stress-free future. Stick around because these tips could change your financial life. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. Know your debt. The first step to taking control of your finances is knowing exactly what you owe. It may seem overwhelming at first, but having a clear picture of your debt is crucial for creating an effective repayment plan. Start by making a comprehensive list of all your outstanding debts: credit card, student loans, car payments, medical bills, and any personal loans. Next, note the interest rates, minimum monthly payments, and due dates for each. This will help you identify which debts are costing you the most and where to focus your repayment efforts. Understanding where you stand financially empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid falling deeper into debt. It also allows you to track progress over time, giving you the motivation to stay on course. Remember, awareness is the first step toward financial freedom. Once you know your debt, you can start tackling it strategically. Strategy number 2. Make a realistic budget. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control and freedom. Creating a budget allows you to manage your money effectively, ensuring that your essential expenses are covered while also making room for debt repayment. Start by tracking your income and categorizing your expenses, including necessities like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then, determine how much you can realistically allocate toward paying off debt each month. Even small adjustments, like cutting unnecessary subscriptions or dining out less, can free up extra cash for your financial goals. To simplify the process, consider using budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or EveryDollar, which can help you track spending, set limits, and stay accountable. The key is to create a plan that is both realistic and sustainable so you don't feel overwhelmed. A well-structured budget isn't a burden. It's your roadmap to financial stability and a debt-free future. Strategy number 3. The Snowball Method. The debt snowball method is a powerful and psychologically rewarding strategy for paying off debt. The idea is simple. Start by focusing on your smallest debt, while continuing to make minimum payments on all others. Once that smallest debt is completely paid off, take the amount you were paying toward it and roll it into the next smallest debt. This process continues, with your payments snowballing into larger amounts as each debt is eliminated. Why does this method work so well? Because it builds momentum and motivation. Paying off a debt, no matter how small, gives you a sense of accomplishment and encourages you to keep going. Many people struggle with staying consistent in their debt repayment journey, but the quick wins of the snowball method create a positive feedback loop. If you're someone who needs visible progress to stay motivated, this could be the perfect debt management strategy for you. Strategy number 4. The Avalanche Method. Unlike the debt snowball method, which prioritizes small wins, the debt avalanche method is designed to save you the most money in the long run. This strategy focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while continuing to make minimum payments on the rest. By tackling high-interest debts, such as credit cards or payday loans, you reduce the amount of interest accumulating over time, which means more of your money goes toward the actual balance rather than unnecessary charges. This method is ideal if you're financially disciplined and motivated by long-term savings rather than quick wins. While it may take longer to see debts disappear compared to the snowball method, the financial benefits are significant. The key is to stay committed, track your progress, and remind yourself that every extra dollar put toward high-interest debt brings you closer to financial freedom. If cutting down interest costs is your priority, the Avalanche method is the way to go. Strategy number 5. Consolidate your debt. If you're juggling multiple loans and credit card balances, debt consolidation can be an effective way to simplify your payments and reduce overall interest costs. This strategy involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, making repayment more manageable. Instead of keeping track of different due dates and interest rates, you'll have just one fixed monthly payment, which can reduce stress and help you stay on track. There are several ways to consolidate debt, including personal loans, balance transfer credit cards, and debt consolidation programs. However, it's crucial to research your options carefully. Some lenders charge high fees or have hidden terms that could put you in a worse financial position. Avoid scams and ensure you're working with reputable institutions. Debt consolidation is a great tool when used wisely, but it's essential to commit to responsible spending so you don't accumulate new debt while paying off the old one. Strategy number 6. Negotiate lower interest rates. Did you know that a simple phone call to your lender could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest? Many credit card companies and lenders are willing to lower your interest rate, especially if you have a strong payment history and a good credit score. The key is to ask. Start by calling your credit card company or loan provider and politely explain your situation. Let them know you've been a responsible borrower, consistently making on-time payments. Then, ask if they can reduce your interest rate or offer better repayment terms. If you've received lower rate offers from other lenders, mention them as leverage. Some companies may not agree immediately, but persistence pays off. If one representative says no, try calling again at a later time. Lowering your interest rate means more of your money goes toward the principal, helping you pay off debt faster and cheaper. Strategy number 7. Cut unnecessary expenses. When it comes to paying off debt, every dollar counts and small changes in your spending habits can add up quickly. Take a close look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Are you subscribed to multiple streaming services you rarely use? Do you frequently order takeout instead of cooking at home? These little expenses might not seem like much, but over time, they can drain your budget. Start by canceling unused subscriptions, meal prepping instead of dining out, and shopping smarter by looking for discounts or buying in bulk. Even small adjustments, like making coffee at home instead of stopping at a cafe, can free up extra money to put toward your debt repayment. The key is to prioritize needs over wants and redirect those savings toward your financial goals. Remember, cutting unnecessary expenses doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It means making smarter financial choices for a debt-free future. Strategy number 8. Increase your income. If cutting expenses isn't enough to accelerate your debt repayment, the next step is to increase your income. The more money you bring in, the faster you can pay off what you owe. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, or even taking on a part-time job. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer great opportunities to earn extra cash in your free time. You can also sell unused items, clothes, electronics, or furniture on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Even small increases in income can make a huge difference when applied consistently toward debt. The key is to use this extra money wisely. Instead of spending it, put it directly toward your highest priority debts. Whether it's picking up extra shifts, monetizing a hobby, or reselling items, every extra dollar helps push you closer to financial freedom. Strategy number 9. Avoid taking on new debt. This step is absolutely crucial. You can't get out of debt if you keep adding to it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is continuing to rely on credit while trying to pay off old balances. To break the cycle, stop using credit cards for non-essential purchases and switch to cash or a debit card instead. If you struggle with temptation, consider freezing or even cutting up your credit cards until your finances are under control. Additionally, avoid unnecessary loans or financing options that increase your debt burden. If you do need to borrow money, carefully evaluate whether it's a necessity and look for low-interest alternatives. Staying disciplined and resisting the urge to take on new debt is one of the most important steps in achieving long-term financial stability. Debt freedom isn't just about paying off what you owe. It's about changing habits to ensure you never fall into the same trap again. Strategy number 10. Seek professional help if needed. If your debt feels overwhelming and you're struggling to make progress despite your best efforts, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There's no shame in getting expert guidance. Many people find that working with a credit counseling service or financial advisor helps them regain control of their finances. Certified credit counselors can help you assess your financial situation, create a personalized debt repayment plan, and even negotiate with creditors to lower interest rates or set up more manageable payment terms. Some nonprofit organizations also offer free or low-cost financial education, helping you develop better money habits to avoid future debt. However, be cautious when choosing a service. Avoid scams and companies that charge high fees upfront. Look for reputable nonprofit credit counseling agencies accredited by organizations like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC. Remember, asking for help isn't a sign of failure. It's a smart step toward a debt-free future. And there you have it, 10 powerful strategies to take control of your debt and work toward financial freedom. Remember, getting out of debt is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay focused, and celebrate small wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest debt challenge right now? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching Money Moves Made Easy TV, and I'll see you in the next one.